Imagine this. One moment, everything seems perfectly fine, and then, without warning, a wave of intense fear and anger crashes over you, plunging you into a state of panic. The world around you blurs, and the future suddenly seems dark and threatening. What just happened? Welcome to the world of triggers, a hidden force lurking in the shadows of our minds, waiting to strike when we least expect it. The idea of being triggered may sometimes feel overused, but it represents a significant psychological concept that deserves our attention. Being triggered refers to experiencing intense fear or anger in response to a seemingly harmless situation, leaving us suddenly overwhelmed by despair and terror. One moment, everything seems fine. The next, we're plunged into a crisis. This is a common experience for many, and while it's essential to respond to real dangers, often our reactions are out of proportion to the situation at hand. Understanding how triggers work is key to regaining control. Triggers are deeply connected to our past traumas. They bring up feelings and fears from situations that once caused us great distress. Even if we don't fully remember these events, our triggers reveal what we've been through. For example, if you're often afraid of being rejected or mocked, it might echo a time in your life when you were made to feel insignificant. Take the case of someone who feels devastated by images of attractive people on social media. Their reaction might not just be about envy, but could stem from a past experience where they felt undervalued or neglected because of their appearance. Triggers like these tie back to old wounds, pulling us into patterns of despair. The real tragedy of triggers is that they blur the lines between past and present, making us react to current situations with the same fear and vulnerability we felt as children. We forget that we're no longer helpless and that we now have the tools to handle life's challenges with greater strength and creativity. Recognizing and overcoming triggers starts with understanding where they come from. It's about distinguishing between what happened in the past and what's happening now. The more we can do this, the less power our triggers will have over us. Instead of letting our fears dictate our actions, we can approach life with curiosity, confidence, and calm, traits that come from truly knowing ourselves and our triggers. Healing from triggers involves love and patience, both from ourselves and from others. It's about gently guiding ourselves to see the difference between real danger and imagined threats, and understanding that what once terrified us no longer has the same power. By working through our triggers and understanding their roots, we can reclaim our peace of mind and navigate the present with the resilience that comes from knowing and loving ourselves fully. As we unravel the mysteries behind our emotional triggers, we gain a deeper understanding of the forces that shape our fears and reactions. The journey may be challenging, but with the insights you've gained today, you're one step closer to mastering your emotional landscape. Remember, the power to overcome these triggers lies within you. By acknowledging them, understanding their origins, and applying the tools we've explored, you can transform moments of panic into opportunities for growth. So take a deep breath, and as you move forward, carry with you the knowledge that you are not defined by your triggers. You are defined by how you respond to them. If this exploration resonated with you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to empower yourself. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep discovering